This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ekaterina Kotenko. Welcome to this beautiful 3-bedroom/3-bathroom 2-story, end-unit townhome located in the highly sought-after gated community of Lake Mary Landings. This spacious, open floor plan features living room/kitchen combo with plenty of natural light, ceramic tiles on the first floor and tall ceiling in the living room. Kitchen features stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, breakfast bar, additional eating space and closet pantry. One of the bedrooms is also located on the first floor with a full bathroom, along with a separate utility/laundry room with washer/dryer hookups. On the second floor you can find a spacious master bedroom suite with tray ceiling, huge walk-in closet and master bathroom with dual sinks, stand-up glass shower and a separate garden tub. Third bedroom with its own full bathroom is also located on the second floor. Screened-in porch opens up to a quiet view with no rear neighbors. AC replaced in 2013. New fresh inside paint throughout. Move-in ready. Community amenities include heated pool, park and playground area. Conveniently located to all major roads and highways, Lake Mary schools, shopping centers, restaurants and much more. Schedule your private showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Ekaterina Kotenko at 407-404-0188.